Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make braised chicken using an Instant Pot. The ingredients you're going to need are some chicken. I'm using drumsticks, about 2 carrots, half of an onion, mushrooms, potatoes 4 to 5, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. You're also going to need sugar, salt, black pepper, all-purpose flour, garlic salt, oregano, and 2 cups of chicken broth or stock. Begin by peeling your carrots and then cutting them into bite-sized pieces. If they're small, you can just go ahead and cut them. If they're larger, go ahead and cut it in half and then in half again. Make sure that your potatoes are washed and then go ahead and cut them into bite-sized pieces as well. Repeat the process with the mushrooms, but put it separately from the carrots and potatoes. Peel your onion and then go ahead and chop it. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, half a tablespoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and mix well. Using the saute function on the Instant Pot, add some oil to the pot and then coat your chicken with the flour mixture, and you're going to cook your chicken in batches. If the chicken seems to get stuck to the bottom, go ahead and add a little bit more oil. Don't worry about cooking the chicken thoroughly as long as it's brown on each side. When all of the chicken has been browned, go ahead and take it out and place aside. Add a little bit more oil and add in the onions, and then saute for about 30 seconds. Then add in the carrots and potatoes, as well as the mushrooms. And then season with a little bit of black pepper and salt, and then go ahead and combine that. Then you're going to add in your chicken broth or stock, your 1 can of tomato sauce, and then you're going to add 2 cups of water. Then put the chicken back into the pot, and then you can season with a little bit more garlic salt, black pepper, and sugar. Keep the function on saute and cook for about 30 minutes. And then let it rest for about 30 minutes before opening it for natural release. Once you open it, go ahead and taste test it and season according to your taste. And that's it. You may eat with a side of white rice or a slice of bread, or eat it as is. Enjoy!